Hi, we are going to discuss something called the nth term test. The nth term test can only be used for determining if a series is going to diverge. So what it says is we are in our series we're going to look at the terms, and if the terms do not converge to zero, then the series is going to diverge. This is an absolute must. And this allows you to eliminate series that are divergent. So again, it cannot be used as a tool to determine if a series converges. If you determine that the limit of a term as n goes to infinity is zero, all it tells you that it's maybe convergent, but you're going to need to use another test to go with that. So let's take a look. So what do we have? The first example here is the limit. So we're trying to see if the limit of 3/2 to the power n as n goes to infinity, what's going on with that? Does it go to zero? Well, 3/2, this actually looks like a geometric sequence, and 3/2 is greater than 1. So as you make n larger and larger and larger, your terms will be larger and larger. So it does not equal zero, so we know it diverges. This term here, so we're going to take a look at the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 over 2n. As in this case, you should be able to see as n gets larger and larger, 1 over 2n is going to go to 0, but it's inconclusive. So the only thing that we cannot tell for sure is that it diverges. Maybe, maybe not. The next one. So here we're going to try to find the limit as n goes to infinity. This 3n squared plus 5n plus 4 over 5n squared minus 2n plus 2. Well, this is a situation when you have a rational function. All you need to do is look at the degrees. The degree is the same. So this limit here is going to be the ratio of the leading coefficients. It is going to be 3/5. Does not equal 0. We know this one is going to diverge for sure. Okay. And this last problem here, similar to this in a way. And what we have here, this limit here, because the degree in the numerator is lower than the degree in the denominator, this goes to 0. Again, that this term is going to be, this test is going to be inconclusive as far as convergence. But one thing I can tell you is this series will actually converge. If you're talking about the series, this one is actually going to diverge. But again, based on the nth term test alone, you cannot make any conclusions about series convergence, only divergence. Okay, see you next time.